When it comes to open source software, there are myths and misconceptions galore. Let's break down a few and set the record straight. Open source isn't as secure as proprietary software. When it comes to software security, the licensing model has little to no impact. However, proprietary software often leads to slower updates, as changes are up to the vendor, while open source projects receive continuous peer contributions, keeping everything up to date. Open source software isn't enterprise grade. Did you know that many of the world's largest organizations use and base a large part of their business on open source software? Facebook and Google, for instance, depend on Linux to run their servers. Support for open source is lacking. Since some of the world's largest companies use open source software, maintenance is critical. This is accomplished by supporters who work on, contribute to, and test open source software. You can also hire independent third parties for extra support. Open source isn't compatible with proprietary programs. In reality, the majority of enterprise-class open source software run on both proprietary operating systems and open source ones. Open source software uses the same open industry standards that permit interoperability as proprietary software. Sometimes, open source software will even integrate with other systems better than proprietary systems. As you can see, open source software is credible and often preferred due to its many benefits such as affordable pricing and extensive support options. If you would like to learn more information about taking advantage of open source software, contact us today.